that's what's inside the box. Wow. There's your cover. 64-inch cover. So you have the adjustable straps. It goes under and it's flat. So see, it'll cover everything. Watch out for your trailer hitch. Here.
There's an adjustable strap on the other side.
On both sides.
Oh.
Both sides are adjustable strap. So when you go around, like that. Make it tight. So this is like a sling here on this end. It could go either way. Either or, either way. This is adjustable. Like that. So you just put it over the cover. That's it. Now, see? Very nice, very tight. All the way around. Yep. You have this little tail. So in the front there, you can see the trailer hitch is there. So I went under the trailer hitch. Okay, so that's how you install the cover. This is a 64-inch, not a 60-inch. So the 64 works perfect for the Escape 2400. I think it'll work for 2600. This is perfect, good enough, looks nice and big. So even you could like put your rods underneath. Your rod bag, a heater, right on top of this, underneath. You can put it and it'll work.